Here we have it, the Can-Am X3 mount. What I've got is, I've got our 660 plus intercom, I've got our RM25 radio, and I've got the X3 mount. So the beauty about this mount, you can mount the radio, the intercom, everything on it before you install it in that little tray and put it back in the car. That's what makes it so easy. And the beauty about our X3 mount, everything's adjustable. So when you mount this in the tray, you can adjust the depth of the radio, okay, forward and back. Okay, you can also adjust the depth of the intercom. You can push it forward and back, you tighten the bolts down, and off you run. So the X3 mount, there's 4 simple holes. All you do is this. You take your tray that we took out earlier, you set this thing inside the tray, you line it up where you want it, you take your drill and you drill 4 holes in the bottom of the tray. I've already pre-done it just to show you how easy it is, and then we give you all the supplied hardware. You bolt the plate right to this tray. Once you get it all bolted together, you can take and plug the intercom into each other, so you can plug the intercom and the radio together, so you can plug that port in. You can get some of the pre-wiring done. If you buy one of our noise filters that has a Y for the power, for the radio and the intercom, you can simply run one power to make it even easier.